Hey there, space enthusiasts! Ever wondered about the future of our galaxy? Well, have I got some cosmic news for you. A supermassive black hole, roughly 600,000 times the mass of our Sun, is on a collision course with the Milky Way. This black hole resides in the Large Magellanic Cloud, or LMC for short. Now you might be thinking, when will this happen? Don't worry, it's not anytime soon. Scientists estimate that the LMC will collide with the Milky Way in about 2 billion years. After this galactic merger, the black hole from the LMC will eventually merge with our very own Sagittarius A*, the supermassive black hole at the center of the Milky Way. How do we know all this? The Gaia Space Telescope has been a game changer. By mapping the positions, motions, and velocities of stars, researchers detected this potential black hole by studying hypervelocity stars. These are stars ejected at incredible speeds, likely from interactions with the black hole. 9 hypervelocity stars' trajectories were traced back to the LMC, revealing the hidden giant. This discovery is particularly exciting because the black hole's mass falls within a rarely observed range, providing valuable insights into black hole growth. Such mergers are believed to be a crucial mechanism for the growth of supermassive black holes like Sagittarius A*. While this research is still pending peer review and further confirmation, it opens up fascinating possibilities for understanding our galaxy's future. So, there you have it. The Milky Way is in for quite the cosmic event, but thankfully, we've got a couple of billion years to prepare. Keep looking up, and stay curious about the universe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more space updates. See you next time.